In this video, I'm going to show you how to add more advanced features to your lessons. And this is going to include things like Postscript, FAQs, and downloads. So let's have a look at our program, and we're just going to go to our video lesson over here, and we're going to start adding some of these advanced settings or features. And to do that, we're going to come here to the right-hand side. We're going to click on Advanced Settings, and you'll see that we have the option now to enable our Postscript, our downloads, and our FAQs. So let's go through these one by one. So first, we're going to enable our Postscript. What this is going to do is allow us to add some text below our videos that our learners can then go and read through. This could be additional information that you want them to know about the lesson. It could be things like a checklist or whatever it is that you want to add to this lesson. We are simply going to write here, welcome to the program. We are excited to have you. All right, the next thing we can enable is our downloads. So if I click on the downloads here, you'll see that that then adds a download section to our lesson. To add a download to this lesson, we're simply going to click here and we're going to add whatever it is that we want to have as our download. I think I've got some pictures over here. There we go. Let's add that as a download. And then we've got a downloadable file that's been added to our lesson. So that's where you're going to upload PDFs or whatever additional things you want to go with the lesson. All right, and then lastly, we have our FAQ. So here you're going to start adding frequently asked questions like, who are you? I'm Heather, I'm your trainer. And then you can go ahead and say done, and then that question has been added. You can add as many FAQs as you want, and the nice thing about FAQs is that they are searchable. So your students will be able to search their questions, and the most relevant questions that you have in your FAQ will show up for them. So that is an extra feature that you can add to your lessons. So those are the advanced features and settings that you can add to your lessons. In the next video, we're going to start creating quizzes and go into all of the unique features for quiz lessons. I'll see you there.